Teacher, what are we learning today? We will be learning about Carl Wheezer. In the middle of learning about Carl Wheezer. So he likes Jimmy's mom. Yes, he does like Jimmy's mom. So wait, that means he will cook Jimmy's dad. Yes, no, he will. Well, Jimmy's dad won't be happy when he hears that. Yes, let's continue learning. After school. I am looking up if Carl Wheezer really likes Jimmy's mom. After Noah found out that Carl Wheezer did. Wait, what the fuck he does? He always did. Wait, what the fuck are you doing behind me?